What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Deadpool 3.7 here. I had some videos that I was gonna upload. It's gonna come like very weirdly. Um, I just got my ported upper and lower intake manifolds. I'm gonna try to install them today. I do not know anything about how to install them, so please bear with me. Also, I just got the other clips to my vented oil catch can. Don't think that I don't think I'm gonna do it, install that today. I think I might wait till the boost actually comes, but I might go ahead and rig the system up. Another thing that is going on with my car, for some weird reason, it sounds like I have an exhaust leak now. I think it's coming from the header on the right side, which is passenger side. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna try to do a time lapse of this install. Please bear with me. I don't know what I'm doing, so hopefully nothing bad happens.
Memphis track, Memphis track, Memphis track.
Hey! Yeah!
Let's go, let's go.
I'm rockin' like Silk the Shocker. No grabbing my shit, I might pop it. My wrist froze, need a doctor. I got it on lock like a lobster. Don't make me go back to the old me. You niggas never ever hold me. I make this shit bump like it's acting. No sneak dissing, you can at me. I'm well protected, can't protect me. I'm well protected, can't attack me. I know you mad, cause I got a couple bands in my pants. I got your bitch on my dick, I throw some bands. She gon' dance, take her shopping, then we heading out to London and France. 20 bands, 30 bands, 40 bands, 50 bands. Got a kilo around my neck, got my jeweler in the track. Ran it up like a track me, bought it hard like an athlete. I ran it up like a track me, bought it hard like an athlete. 20 bands, 30 bands, 40 bands, 50 bands. Got a kilo around my neck, all them bands, she gon' die. Ran it up. Don't fit in, I'm not a loser. Kept it on me since a junior. Play with cash, no sense of humor. My pockets fat just like a tumor. Smoking gas, I blind a sewer. Don't grab my chain, bitch, I'm a shooter. Play with squares, I fuck with scooter. School a bitch just like a tutor. Fell in love with Roman Nuba. Pop a break, I'm feeling super. Make it clap, that bitch a trooper. Had a dream like Martha Luther. Yo, bitch, back, my bitch is cool. Dollar sign like Kama Sutra. Pussy fat, I call him Buddha. Bank account like hallelujah. Blow that 40 like a tuba. Got them head like I'm a Kuma. Keep it just like a rooster. Bro, you broke, you still a loser. Fuck your girl, you fucking loser. 20 bands, 30 bands, 40 bands, 50 bands. Got a kilo around my neck, got my jeweler in the track. Ran it up like a track me, bought it hard like an athlete. I ran it up like a track me, bought it hard like an athlete. 20 bands, 30 bands, 40 bands, 50 bands. Got a kilo around my neck, all them bands, she gon' die. Ran it up like a track me, bought it hard like an athlete. I ran it up like a track me.
Everything is done. It took a little longer than I expected. Actually, it didn't take as long as I expected. As you can see, my engine bay is dirty. If you guys got any recommendations to clean it, please let me know. You guys can probably hear that noise, man. I think my car maybe I have a hole in the exhaust somewhere. I have an air leak somewhere. But there's literally no check engine lights. Everything is fine. Car runs good. Air to fuel ratio is excellent. I definitely recommend Paul, man. I did have to look at a couple of videos, but I haven't really just seen the full detail one, man. It's gonna take a long time. I'm probably gonna do a time lapse, but if you get to a point to where you're confused about something, message me. I'm free to help you. I'm glad I've done this myself with my granddad and my girl sometimes. I actually got gas in my high tooth from that fuel line because the guy was like, oh, it's going to do a couple of drops. Nah, the motherfucker spewed out. Anyway, guys, I'm going to be pretty busy uploading, so this video may get dropped tonight, may get dropped tomorrow. It just depends, man. I got a lot of videos coming to you guys, so if you like my content, man, if you're confused about anything, please let me know. Please give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe, of course. Also, I've changed up my outro. I have a different Snapchat now. It's actually my name now is Deadpool 3.7, so that's what my Snapchat name is. But I hope you guys liked it, man. You know, this was a fairly hard install. It really was. Only part that was hard was the lower one, and you guys will see that I was kind of confused. But this is gonna be a long ass video. But hey, you know, patience is key. The reason why I stopped the video where I was at was because I actually got I got it off, and you got it off, you can put it back on, you know. And my phone actually died too. As soon as I took the phone down, I had to rig it up with tape for it to be able to record the angle. I used the hood to record the angle. Hopefully I wasn't blocking you guys' view. But yeah, everything's done now, so hopefully this video comes out as good as I expected. And you know, I expect it does. But my car is full boat on now, except for throttle body, so it's come a long way. Anyway, guys, like I say, thanks. Please subscribe.